my co-pastor and give him the privilege to tell us his blessings by himself. God bless you, sir.
Abundantly poetous. Abundantly poetous. In our family, we don't struggle. Mommy, thank you very much. I appreciate this. And thank you very much. I appreciate it.
How far? I came here last year September. I brought a passenger here.
You are driving Uber?
Yes, sir. All my customer, everybody left me. I came here as Uber driver. But now, left and right.
Lift your hand and shout, in the war.
In the war.
Take it. Power. Power. Somebody shout power.
Power.
You cannot be coming here with this anointing and you are still poor. May I go to a poverty not be for me.
Poverty not be for me.
Who's the better? Listen, who's the better? Don't let me alone. So what is happening now?
In my area, they are looking me like a ritualist now.
Everything is happening. Take the anointing. When are you finishing your house? Uber driver from last year. When are you finishing your house? Take it. You are running your house.
Hey, so welcome back, guys. I don't know why people like putting men of God into trouble. I don't know why Nigerians, youth here, you people like putting or getting men of God into trouble. I don't know why. This guy was never an Uber driver. This guy was a pastor in a particular church. You can verify from these particular slips. I've been trying, from these flyers, I've been trying all possible means to get these contacts to verify one or two things, but with evidences sent to me, this guy was never an Uber driver. This guy happens to be an assistant pastor in this particular church. You can see the flyers here. This guy currently is not also doing well. That kind of money no day. So I don't know why he chose to lie. From the other video you saw, the altar where he came to testify, that is the church where he happens to be. He was ordained as a pastor. I have his marriage videos and all that so far and so on. I have full details about him anyway. And I'm trying to get across the pastor to also ask the pastor a few questions. But with what some of the members sent to me, it is clear. More story about this guy I will tell, but not now. I just want to keep this video here anyway. But people should stop deceiving men of God. You go here, you give testimony, fake testimony. You go another place, give fake testimony. I didn't say you were paid for this, but I want the people to use their tongue to count their teeth. My name is Governor Eziokwu, son of the great Shanamites. Olilanya.